If I told you that utilizing a specific marketing channel could improve your business's SEO, drive traffic to your business, educate your audience, build trust with your followers, increase your digital visibility, establish brand awareness, and even generate new leads, which channel would you guess? Maybe a website, social media, email marketing? All of these channels play important roles in your overall marketing strategy, but the correct answer is actually blogging. Gone are the days of blogging acting only as a teenager's online diary, although those likely still exist. Blogging is more relevant today than it ever has been, with over 40% of the web built on WordPress alone. If you don't already have a blog for your business, contact Paragon Marketing Group to help you set up one today.